All right. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, June 28th, 2023. What do I got going on this morning? JDST. Once again, bought some JDST. And let's see here. Still looking at some upper targets. All right, let's go with 750. 750 is going to be my first target. All right, bought it at 45. You get in a little bit late, but I am in at 45 on JDST. And let's see, I do have another target. All right. Wow, that's close. 751, second target. Fifty-two, 50, 51, and 52. Wow, that's going to be significant. So when I see three patterns all kind of hitting around the same level, that usually indicates a critical level. So what I'd like to do is to see it go through that and maybe we can run. So anyway, JDST, long JDST. Let's see, gonna look at some others here. OPK. OPK may be the one that runs this morning. We're gonna watch that OPK. Morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? So I want to watch OPK. NERV. Not seeing anything on any RV. I'll keep that on the radar. TOVX. CGTX. Man, I am not liking that one. I'm going to take that completely off my scanner. KLR. KLR. It does have some potential. I definitely want to keep an eye on KLR. All right, we're going to keep an eye on KLR. XPEV was another one that was on the radar this morning. Nothing there yet. BAOS. Nothing there yet. And DRMA. We talked about DRMA. Gonna watch DRMA. Need to really pull back a little bit more before I start looking at DRMA. But it is going to continue to be on my radar. We'll see if we can get a bounce down here. I could see it coming down. Let's see, how much further can this come down? I could see it going down to wow, maybe 154. $160. 154, 160. That's that's kind of put us into this buying area down here. So that's good. So watch that. Go ahead and put an alert in down here. And if it hits it, we'll take a look and see if we don't have an opportunity to buy some. So we'll watch that. I'm going to put this alert in at 160. All right, there we go. Watch that. All right, check out my, I do have JDST on. Let's take a look at our indices. We have a couple of indices in play right now. Let's take a look at those. I have a short mini NASDAQ. Let's look at that mini NASDAQ. Short the mini NASDAQ, looking for a target of 150.07.5. Also sold the E-mini S&P. Both of these I did about 10-15 minutes ago. Sold the E-mini S&P target 4403.25. I am watching the mini Russell. I like to sell the mini Russell at 1859, so it's going to have to come down here 1859 before I take a short on the mini Russell. So nothing on the mini Russell. And let's take a look at gold. I have nothing on gold. Nothing on crude oil. Nothing on natural gas. Watching OPK. Another one I started to pop up is JOBY. Let's look at JOBY. Yeah, I can see JLBY coming up a little bit more. Not ready to jump in JLBY. TOBX. Okay, I'm gonna watch this OPK up here around yeah, it's gonna have a hard time getting through this. Got some big orders sitting up here around 220. I'm gonna put an alert in on this somewhere around 210. See what it looks like at 210. I'm gonna put an alert in at 210 on OPK. I'm really watching this KLR. There's some patterns sitting up on KLR. Let's see here. Let's see a high I have a 719 target. I'm just gonna keep an eye on KLR. Not sure I'm gonna be getting into KLR. Yeah, Glenn, it's still pretty hot here. Close to the hundreds. It's been really hot. All right. All right, let me check on my JDST. JDST is looking all right. Just a little bit on JDST. But we are starting to move on the mini NASDAQ. Let's look at our mini NASDAQ. Always love trading the indices. Love trading the indices, mini NASDAQ. Target is going to be 150.07.5. And we're also short on the E-mini S&P. Target 4403.25. And I want to sell a Russell. I am getting closer, 1859. I want to take a short, 1859. Those are looking good. I've got some resting orders to get out down there now. So once I hit, we'll go ahead and we'll just automatically get out of those. All right, let's go back. Let's look at our stocks. About 8 minutes here before the opening bell, or in this live broadcast here, right before the opening bell. So I can focus on my trades right after the opening. Long coming in, JDST, short E-mini S&P, and short the mini NASDAQ. And keeping an eye on OPK. OPK is getting close to an entry up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a small position on OPK. And I'm going to see if we can push through this 220. So a really small position on OPK. Now, one of the things that's been happening here recently is that a lot of the action is happening right before the market opens at 9:30. And then after that, it's not having the follow through. It kind of gives it all up. So a lot of your action is coming pre-opening on this, a lot of these stocks. So we're not really getting that big push right after the opening like we normally do. So I'm going to be a little bit more cautious after the opening. If it doesn't start moving right away, I'm just going to go ahead and get out. So I bought a little bit of OPK as well. And I mean, it goes through cycles where you get a lot of pre-market opening. You get a lot of your action, so you have to trade pre-market. And then there's times when pre-market's just kind of dead, and it happens after the opening. It's just one of those crazy cycles. Okay, not this at 207, a little bit at 207. So that yellow line there is my entry. We're at 202, bought at 207. Yeah, you have basements up there. Yeah, we don't have no, we don't have any basements really here in Texas. But when I lived in Kansas, we did. I think all the houses pretty much had a basement up there. I like a basement. It's cooler, much cooler down there. Ooh, yeah, you still see it here in Texas, so you just don't have it. JLBY, once again, I want to watch JLBY. JLBY looks pretty good. I like JLBY. KLR. Not much on KLR yet. And ERB was another one I was watching. Nah, I don't see it on that. I don't see anything here on NERB yet. Let's see what else. BAOS. Nope. OPK. Nope. Okay, we're coming up on 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and end this. I want to thank everybody for joining us this morning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Also, if you'd like to be notified, hit that notification bell. We'll keep you updated on any of our new updates, including our daily recaps. We'll do a daily recap here and let you know how my trading went and how we did also in our live trading room. So that's going to be a wrap. Everybody have a really good trading day, and we'll see you hopefully first thing tomorrow.